Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make some cinnamon rolls in under 6 minutes. Well, the video is gonna be under 6 minutes, so when I ended up bag along talking to the, let's get straight into the video. Cinnamon rolls. So I'm gonna have a cup of warm milk, next we're gonna add 2.5 yeast, sugar for the yeast to feed on. Right here we're gonna add a 1/3 cup of sugar, salt, 2 eggs, stir it a little bit, and a 1/2 stick of butter. Next, we're going to add in some flour. This is 4.5 cups. So your dough should be looking like this. Shape it in a ball and let it rest for an hour. Alright, so it's time now while the dough is rising to make the filling. So we're going to use 2 sticks of butter, softened butter, some cinnamon powder, and 2.5 cups of sugar. We're going to mix that in and make it in like a paste type thing. So yeah. So this is what the dough is looking like after about an hour. We're just gonna punch that dough. Gonna put this on a flat surface and roll it out now. Some flour. Dough on it. Guys, so it should be looking at this. Like, don't make it too thin now. Now we're going to take our mixture here and spread them on. Roll. So it should be looking like this. Alright, so I'm gonna let, okay, so I'm gonna let these rest for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna put them in the oven and bake them. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. They tasted great. Please try and let me know what you think. Love you. See you next time. Bye.